Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating development of the embryonic digestive system, based on Lachman's medical embryology. First, digestive tract, a portion of the endoderm incorporated from the embryo. This is consequence of the cephalocaudal and lateral folding of the embryo. This origin primitive intestine will provide training to formation. Pharynx, important for the development of the head and neck. Anterior intestine is located at the caudal position to the pharyngeal tube and extends to the hepatic evagination midgut. It begins at the follow point and the hepatic buct and extends to the jejunal seat of the two right tiers and the left tier of the transverse column. Posterior intestine. It extends from the left tier and the transverse column to the cloacal membrane. Anterior intestine, esophagus, tracheoesophageal septum, divide lumbal, respiratory perimeter and esophagus. The epithelial hepatic course and biliary system, they differ in the parenchyma. Diagram of the foregut, midgut, and hindgut. These primitive guts divide into the three main regions, the foregut, the median, and the hindgut. Each will rise to the different parts of the adult digestive system. Foregut details with the animation of the esophagus, liver, etc. The foregut starts from the pharyngeal tube and extends to the hepatic butt, formed into the structures like the pharynx, esophagus, and trachea, and lags behind to the form. A crucial development here is the tracheal septum, which separates the respiratory tract from the esophagus. Also, the hepatic diverticulum gives rise to the liver, bile ducts, and pancreas, all of which development for the epithelial course that differ into the parenchymal tissues. Later, medium intestine. Premature intestine exists distal to them, common bile duct entry, began in the 60th week. It grows so fast that it produces towards the umbilical cord, physical urination. Midgut development includes the urination into umbilical cord, moving into the midgut, which begins to the distal duodenum. By the 6th week, it grows rapidly, forming a lobe urination into the umbilical cord, a normal process called basophilic urination. This lobe and later return after the urination cavity. Finally, posterior intestine gives rise region of the corresponds to the distal tier of the transverse column, extends upper portion of the anal canal, origins ectoderm. Aortic septum, the irrigation of the cloacal membrane that covers this area, will allow communication to the outside and the anus orbital sinews. To summarize, the embryonic digestion is an intricate sequence of growth, folding, and diffusion and migration, a beautiful example of how its complexity unfolds as simplicity. Thanks for watching.